Hey guys, we are at the Comfort Inn and Suites in Valdosta, Georgia. It is right off of I-75, exit 16. This is right next door to the Holiday Inn Conference Center. So this is the King Suite. So when you walk in, here is the bathroom. Nice tile, like backsplash area. There's the amenities. It's really, really clean. Hair dryer. It's the shower. Okay. So when you walk in, here's also like a little area with a microwave, coffee maker, ice bucket, and a fridge. And here is the seating area. It also has like another little bench, but we put all our junk on it. And then there's like a partition that separates the bedroom. So here's some drawers and TV, desk, king bed. I didn't see when we booked this room an option to get a king that wasn't a suite. So I'm not sure if all the kings are suites like this, but it's a huge room. Really big, really clean, really comfortable. Here is the closet. Ironing board. Due to COVID, they're not having housekeeping, but you can just call the lobby. They do have a free breakfast as well. So that's the view, it's just of the Holiday Inn. Breakfast is from 6:30 to 9:30. Just show your room key. All right, so that's it for the Comfort Inn and Suites in Valdosta, Georgia. Give us a thumbs up, let us know what you think, and we'll see y'all soon.